Hello everyone. For today's lesson, we will be examining a model used in the study of demography. The model you see on your screen here is known as the demographic transition model. What this model does is demonstrate how birth rates, death rates, and total population change over time as society becomes more advanced. When we use this model, these different measurements align with the x-axis, which focuses on the passage of time, and the y-axis, which focuses on the rising and falling of birth and death rates. There are four stages in the demographic transition model, so let's jump right into stage one. Stage one, or the agricultural stage of the demographic transition model, features a high birth rate, a high death rate, and a stationary but low total population. Societies in stage one of this model often have poor access to medical care, which results in high death rates. Thankfully, no countries in the world exist at stage one of the demographic transition model anymore. Next, in stage two, the early industrial stage of the demographic transition model, countries begin to see a rapidly falling death rate as a result of widespread medical care, leading to rapid population growth. During this stage, the birth rate remains unaffected. Many third world countries today, such as Chad, fall into the stage of the demographic transition model. Thirdly, in stage three, the late industrial stage of the demographic transition model, countries' death rates continue to decrease. However, a longer life expectancy and reduced infant mortality rate results in families choosing to have less children. In this stage, the birth and death rates are falling, but the population is still growing, as the birth rate still exceeds the death rate. A modern day example of this would be a country like China. Finally, in stage four, the post-industrial stage of the demographic transition model, both the birth rate and the death rate reach their modern floors, and population growth comes towards a stop. This ends up resulting in a low birth rate, low death rate, and a stationary but high total population. A modern day example of this would be a country like the United States of America. Thank you for viewing. Have a wonderful day.